Yesterday evening we arrived at Shivananda Ashram. So now is the first day in total. We woke up at 5:30 and started at 6 our classes. Today is different, so today is fine. We are so busy, we don't have any breaks. It was a very tough schedule. I'm so tired. The security guy didn't let us go out, so it's forbidden to leave the place. So I hated it directly and I wanted to leave. I'm too old for that. But somebody tells me I need to stay somewhere and I'm not allowed to exit the place and to re-enter. So that's it. Very busy, but I think very healthy also. We will see if we can do the 2 weeks or if we want to run away still after a few more days, a few more hours. I don't know. So that was the silent walk. It's twice a week. It's like a walking meditation and it ends in the temple. It's good to be silent, not talking too much. Bell is ringing, so I think the yoga class is starting. There's a babies. Why is it so colorful? Buddha. Buddha? Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Are you not tired?
The whole day. Every time meditation, something I learn.
Me too. Same.
Namaste. It's the second day, but I'm feeling good. Already more flexible, stronger. Even I feel at the same time also being very weak. I'm okay, feeling good. The food is good, the practice is good. I think it's a good place, but still I wanna escape. Maybe it is also good that we are not allowed to go outside. Ha! See you tomorrow. Day 3. Mind is very calm. I'm okay. My muscles are paining. Time is running. I'm tired, but I like it. I'm good. Things are changing. My body is getting stronger and more flexible. I notice it. My thoughts are calmer than usually. It's nice. Could stay longer. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, see you. So today is free day, Friday, free day, and we can do whatever we want to. So the world is ours, and I decided to make my laundry. feeling so free. I'm not sure if you can imagine how it feels like, but I'm outside. The sweet taste of freedom. Just joking. I mean, nobody's forcing me to stay. If you're not allowed to go outside and then you are outside, that's so beautiful. Beautiful all the time. That's it. Last night I didn't sleep very well, thoughts on my mind, but I still get up in the morning to the sitzang, bought some coffee on the free day. Da 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 da, look at this. Bought some coffee on the free day. And today I had the feeling that I don't really belong here. But I think for this time 1 week will be enough. I'm tired. I think this is a good place not to think about thoughts. Oh. Very dark, very dark. Okay, that's working. So today it got already late. It's day 6, by the way. I attended the writing workshop and also the lecture like every day. This is a very helpful community here. If you want it and if you need it, you will get it. Being like a ghost the last 6 days, and today I just let the people hear my voice and spoke up. That was nice. Was a nice experience, but I think I'm almost done with the experience. I don't think I will start a yoga teacher trainer right now. So peace out, people. Good night. So today is the day, and here we go. I have my exit pass. So first I would like to get some tea. Be weak for one moment, and then I hope I don't lose my routine, my new one. Let's enjoy it for a few moments before I leave, before I go. This is the end of this experience, of this journey. All in total, it was amazing, or at least to have a routine. I hope I'm gonna stick to it for a while, maybe forever. I try my best. I think it's a good break. It's a good focus on something else than our daily lives are giving us. It was good to see world inside this reality. I will keep the experience, I will keep the knowledge, and I will work it out. So whenever you have the chance, just try it, give it a try. Namaskaram. Love you. Let's go.